Welcome to your Abentech channel, a global leader in new technologies. Get ready for what you're about to see.
Product Overview. Epson has unveiled the Lifestudio Grand EH-LS970, a high-end ultra-short-throw UST laser projector designed to replace traditional televisions in modern living rooms. This model focuses on delivering a plug-and-play cinematic experience, eliminating the need for complex installations, ceiling mounts, or extensive cabling. Key technical specifications. Image quality. Features true 4K resolution with a high brightness of 4000 lumens, ensuring vibrant performance even in environments with ambient light. Projection size, capable of projecting an immersive image of up to 150 inches while positioned just centimeters away from the wall. Smart features, integrated Google TV with native Netflix support, providing a seamless streaming experience without the need for external devices. Audio performance. Equipped with a premium integrated sound system engineered by Bose, offering high-fidelity audio right out of the box. AI optimization utilizes AI-driven image optimization to automatically adjust settings based on changes in room lighting. User experience and reliability. Seamless setup includes a mobile-assisted setting assistant that uses the smartphone camera for precise alignment and calibration. Quiet operation. Designed for silent performance to prevent fan noise from interfering with the viewing experience. Durability features a long-lasting laser light source and low energy consumption. Market confidence. Epson distinguishes this model with an industry-leading 5-year warranty, emphasizing the product's reliability and long-term value. Conclusion. The Epson EH-LS970 positions itself as a comprehensive lifestyle solution. By combining elite optics, built-in premium sound, and a user-friendly smart platform, it targets consumers seeking a massive screen experience without the aesthetic or technical burdens of traditional home theater setups.
Thanks for watching the video to the end. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the latest tech news.